If you want to become a video editor or you are a video editor but you're not making any money from the skill, then this video is for you. I'm not gonna waste your time, so let's get straight into the video. So the first mistake that you should not make is do not buy an online course. Well, the first mistake that a video editor does is buying an online course. You just choose one software that you're gonna work on and start watching some tutorial videos on YouTube about that software, and you're gonna become a master in it. Just start working on some random projects and you're gonna be very good at video editing. Now you have become a video editor and you're very good at it. Now the question is, how are you gonna make money from it? The first thing that you need to do is smash the subscribe button and like this video. Step number 1 is join communities. So what happens when you join a community? You meet so many people that you can learn a lot of things from those people combined. Also, when you're gonna meet new editors, some other editors like you can talk to them and learn how they're getting some clients and making money, or you can learn about their journey so you can put those learnings into your journey as well. So that's gonna benefit you in the long run. Step number 2 is have some communication skills, bro. The only person that can help you out in this is you yourself. No one else can help you in this, and you need to improve your communication skills because you need to convince other people that you are capable of giving them what they want from you. Step number 3 is have a portfolio. If you don't have a portfolio, then you don't expect yourself to make money from your skill. Now, a portfolio is where you introduce yourself, your works, and your skills to other people. Now, please don't ask me how to make a portfolio. Just please go learn it by yourself and make one for you. If you can show people your resume, people are gonna hire you for sure. Step 4 is join some freelance platforms. You can join some freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com and make your own gig and profile and get some clients. Now, if you want to get clients with the inbound prosper, then you can choose Fiverr as a platform. And me personally, I think that this is a great way to get some clients. Step number 5, know your value. Some people out there think that if they prices their gig in a cheaper rate, then they're gonna get some more clients than others, which is bullshit. If you charge $35 or $40 for a 20 minutes video, then the client is gonna understand that you're a very unprofessional video editor, is less likely to hire you, and you're never gonna get some good clients and rarely make some money from video editing. So let me leave a piece of advice for you guys. Do not copy other freelancers. Well, if you look at some successful freelancers and you like their journey, then try not to copy them. Try to be yourself and stop acting like others. If you take a look at successful freelancers' journey, then you'll see that they are lying most of the time. So stop being like others and try to be yourself. And to all the freelancers out there, it's not gonna be an easy journey and it's a very tough ride. But believe in yourself that you can do it and you're halfway there.